Warning signs that may appear in the body. When the heart is not healthy, hello. Is your heart in good shape, or is there something to be concerned about? Today we'll talk about the signs that may appear in the body, indicating that the heart is not functioning as it should. Cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death worldwide. That's why it's essential to stay alert. This content is divided into 3 parts. First, we will discuss visible signs that may indicate something is wrong. Then, we'll talk about the classic symptoms you may feel when the heart is not well. Finally, we'll share valuable tips on how to prevent heart problems in the future. Stay with us until the end. There's a lot of important information that you may have never heard before. If possible, like and share this content so that more people can access valuable information, especially those who do not have easy access to doctors and hospitals. Your help can save lives. Now tell me, do you have any heart problems or suspect you might? Where are you from? Write in the comments. Visible signs that the heart may be in trouble? Frank's sign, have you ever noticed people's ears? There is a small crease on the earlobe that may indicate clogged arteries in the heart or neck. This sign was identified by Dr. Sanders Frank in the 1970s, when he observed that many patients with chest pain had this mark. Not everyone with this crease has artery blockages, but its presence in younger people can be a warning sign. The sensitivity of this sign is not high, so even if you don't have this mark, it doesn't mean your heart is completely healthy. Hair loss on the legs. Hair loss on the legs may indicate circulatory problems, such as peripheral artery disease. Because poor circulation prevents hair follicles from receiving adequate nutrients, making hair growth difficult. In addition to hair loss, the skin may become smoother, shinier, cold to the touch, and have reduced nail growth. However, hair loss can also have other causes, such as genetics or friction from clothing. Xanthelasma, if you've ever noticed yellowish plaques on someone's eyelids, this is called xanthelasma. These cholesterol deposits in the skin are painless, but may indicate high levels of cholesterol or triglycerides. Although not everyone with high cholesterol develops xanthelasmas, those who have this feature are at an increased risk of developing heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. Therefore, it is important to get tested to assess blood fat levels. Senile arc. The senile arc or corneal arcus is a white or grayish ring that appears around the edge of the cornea. It is common in older individuals and does not affect vision, but when it appears before age 45, this may indicate high cholesterol levels and an increased risk of heart disease. Cyanosis. A bluish or purplish skin color may be a sign that oxygenated blood is not circulating properly. This can indicate arterial blockages or heart failure. If this discoloration appears when it's not extremely cold, especially accompanied by shortness of breath, it is crucial to seek medical attention. Wounds on the legs or feet that take a long time to heal may indicate circulation problems. Arterial insufficiency, caused by artery blockages, can lead to these ulcers, which are usually painful. Venous ulcers, associated with varicose veins or thrombosis, can also appear but typically bleed more than arterial ulcers. Swollen legs, fluid buildup in the ankles, feet, and legs may indicate that the heart is not pumping blood efficiently. This swelling may worsen throughout the day and improve when the legs are elevated. Symptoms that may indicate heart problems: shortness of breath, with effort if you feel excessive fatigue. When performing everyday activities, it could be a sign of heart failure. Persistent cough. A constant cough, especially with white or pinkish phlegm, may indicate fluid buildup in the lungs, a symptom of heart failure. Shortness of breath while lying down. Difficulty breathing while lying down may lead to the need to use multiple pillows or even sleep sitting up. The symptom suggests advanced heart failure, generalized weakness. A constant feeling of fatigue and difficulty performing daily activities may be signs that the heart is not pumping blood properly. Frequent urge to urinate at night. Getting up several times during the night to urinate may be related to heart problems, as the body tries to eliminate excess fluid accumulated during the day. Calf pain while walking. If you experience pain in the calf while walking that improves when you stop, this may indicate poor circulation in the legs, a sign of possible arterial blockages. Chest pain, pain or discomfort in the chest that may radiate to the left arm, neck, back, or jaw, should be taken seriously. Other associated symptoms, such as excessive sweating, paleness, nausea, and dizziness, may indicate a serious heart problem and require immediate medical attention. How to prevent heart problems? Engage in regular physical activities such as walking, swimming, or cycling. Stop smoking to prevent artery inflammation and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Maintain a healthy weight to avoid excessive strain on the heart and other organs. Adopt a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, fiber, and whole grains. Be aware of your family history of heart disease. Control cholesterol and triglyceride levels with a healthy diet and medication if necessary. Monitor blood glucose levels, especially if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes. Keep your blood pressure under control, aiming to keep it below 120/80ths, or as advised by your doctor. If you have identified several of the signs and symptoms mentioned, seek medical evaluation. Taking care of your heart is essential for a long and healthy life. Don't miss out. If you enjoyed this content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the best tips. Turn on notifications to receive all updates firsthand.